everyone part by part to check the details of each part. First, mixing box. The place which return air from the spaces and the fresh air from outside were mixing together, then send it to the filter section. Content is return volume damper, which receives the return air from the space. It should be connected with the control system. That means it will be motorized return damper, motorized damper. Then we have fresh air volume damper, the opening of the fresh air from outside. It should have standard trap louvre and filter. And this is the figure of the volume damper, which used for fresh air or return damper, and as we said, it have to be connected with BMS. Location for fresh air damper and return damper. If this is our AHU, this top side, we can found return damper or fresh damper, one only or maybe two as per our design or as per project design. Then we have side, also we can put return air damper or fresh air damper. And we have rear, we can also found here return air damper or fresh air damper.